This tutorial guides you through how to use the AI output length feature in advanced options. This feature lets you control the length of the response you get from the AI tool. For example, if you want a super brief response from ChatGPT or a longer, more detailed response, you can control that by selecting different options in this feature. Let's get started. Type your idea in the input box and click the plus button to open the Advanced Options menu. Click AI Output Length to adjust the desired length of the AI-generated content. Select the desired output length of the AI answer you want to get. For example, if you want ChatGPT to give you a super brief answer, select Brief. Or a more detailed answer, select Detailed, which we will select in this example. There are estimated word counts under each option to help guide you. If you don't select anything, Prompteer defaults to giving you a medium-length answer. Click the X to close out of the Configure Output Length box. Click Generate Prompt to create your expert-level prompt. You have successfully learned how to configure the length of the output you will receive from your AI tool of choice.